I'm almost last, so I can take my time. Good evening, or shall I say, cool evening. Global warming is here. Zero carbon electricity from renewables is the answer. Many countries around the world have very aggressive renewable integration goals. However, the sun doesn't shine 24/7, and the wind doesn't always blow. As we speak, there is a new reality on the grid. Some electricity is made by solar. These good kilowatt hours are typically cheaper and have zero carbon inside. Bad kilowatt hours are made by polluting power plants. They're typically more expensive and have a lot more carbon in each. So as we can see, not all kilowatt hours are created equal. You've seen this before. It's just like good and bad cholesterol. So if we really want to reduce the total carbon emissions, we have to focus much more on when we use electricity than how much we use. Because consuming even a small amount of the bad kilowatt hours can really hit the carbon bottom line. And switching between bad and good is probably the best strategy. It will save money too. Unfortunately, most corporations only measure total kilowatt hours as their main KPI, and they try to reduce it. They don't differentiate between the good and the bad, and they put them all in one big pile. This KPI really needs adaptation. I'm Boaz from Nostromo Energy, and I'm here with a solution for you: energy storage. We store energy when it's available from zero or renewable sources, and we use it later to avoid consuming it from dirty, carbon-intensive sources. And we do it with clean tap water. Let me show you how. So most commercial industrial facilities use chillers for cooling. These beasts consume 30 to 70% of the energy and are typically the biggest load. Chillers actually do a very simple job. They cool water and send it to the building. That water is used for cooling the air or for the process. This is why we created the ice brick. The ice brick is a revolutionary energy storage system that uses water capsules. We freeze water in these capsules, and we'll use it later to cool the water instead of the chillers and avoid consuming carbon-intensive electricity. This is how we turned the biggest load, the chillers, into an effective, sustainable energy storage system. It's a modular system that can be retrofitted to existing buildings like headquarters, to campuses, or to factories. It also serves as a very cool backup, because when you have an outage or when your chillers go down, we can cool the building instead, preventing the need to operate expensive, polluting diesel backup generators. It has many more other benefits, but hey, I only have 4 minutes. So this is by far the best decarbonization strategy you'll find for a building. We'll turn your cooling systems into a money-making, carbon-reducing, ESG boosting, and resilience machine. Like this building in California that saves 210 tons annually and $300,000. Nostromo is a publicly traded company, and we have commercial systems deployed, like this system on a roof of a medical devices company. I'm here today because AB InBev already understands this. We are building a system in the Baldwinsville Brewery in upstate New York that will show the way for other breweries globally. Corporates that join us will bring back the glaciers and icebergs that already melted. With each facility that joins, we're building a bigger global virtual power plant. Thank you, and I'd like to invite you to lead the way in cooling global warming.